In the first exercise, we're going to create a viewer and load the micro engine model. Then we'll set up some callbacks for the camera, selection, and view created events. Finally, we'll go ahead and start the viewer. So let's jump over to Notepad and take a look at the code. So in the exercises.html file, we've denoted where you need to write the code for each exercise by using comments that indicate the exercise number. For example, for exercise number 1, you'll fill in your code in between the comment that says exercise 1 and end exercise 1. So go ahead and begin to work on exercise number 1 and pause the video now. When you've finished, resume the video and we'll talk through the code. Okay, so hopefully you were able to get that code working. Let's look at the answer. So the first thing we're going to do is create a communicator.webViewer object. Now we pass in three things. First is the container ID, which is a div element called myContainer. Next is the endpoint URI, and that is the result of our AJAX request. Finally, we pass in the micro engine model name. Now that we've created our viewer, we can set some callbacks. So we'll use the viewer.setCallbacks method. We specify three methods for the three callbacks that we're interested in, namely the camera, selection, and view created. Finally, we call viewer.start to start our scene. If we open our browser and navigate to the completed exercises page, we can see that upon startup, we'll go ahead and load that micro engine model. So everything's working well, and we'll continue on to the next exercise.